Nice outdoor deck in the front. As you can see, you can put a lot of chairs and have outdoor living while you're watching the mountain view. Nice windows. Welcome to this beautiful log cabin inside. Nice fireplace, beautiful blue ceiling, nice ceiling fans. Now we're going to take a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is amazing. It's spacious for those who love to cook and entertain. It's a great house to entertain in. A lot of lights and it's bright. Natural lights. Top of the line Whirlpool appliances. And then we also have a laundry room right over here. It's really nice because over here you can actually go from, if you want to go inside the door, and you have a balcony over here. And then if you want to go outside on the side door, there's also another balcony, which is really nice. So you have your privacy. And if you want to step outside on the balcony, you can see how nice it is. And it's a wraparound balcony. So basically, it encompasses the whole side and front of the house. Now we're going to go into the master bedroom. Very nice, very spacious. Look at these logs up here. Look how solid these logs are. Again, you have a lot of light. It's bright, extremely secure and insulated windows. Walk-in closet. Nice bathroom. Nice angled bathroom, and the nice walk-in closet is a must-have. I also like the textured walls. It's a plaster texture, and it's throughout the whole entire house. The next, we're going to go to the bathroom. It's a half bath downstairs. Again, very nice powder room, logs everywhere. Another nice size window.
Okay. Upstairs?
And I'm going to go upstairs now.
All right.
Again, there's another balcony out here. Screened in. So it's a lot of balconies, outdoor living in this house, overlooking the mountain, panoramic view. Upstairs has a split floor plan. It also has lofts in both bedrooms and very spectacular architecture. And we can't forget the baseboards. Log cabin baseboard, log baseboards. Spacious, a lot of closet space. Beautiful house. This is a nice view from up top of the stairs, as you can see. Still a nice, gorgeous view overlooking the mountains. And then we have the bathroom right here. Full bathroom, shower, and again, you have the plaster texture balls in here. And we're going to go to the next bedroom, again with a nice floor plan, so you always feel like you have a lot of privacy in this house. Again, you've got the closets, closet space, mirror doors, loft area. And then we're going to come out here into this area, which is a separate loft area. Very charming. And we're going to go downstairs so we can show you that angle, so you can see how gorgeous this house is. Spectacular. This house is priced to sell and will not stay on the market long. And that is 15213 Nesthorn Way in Pine Mountain Club, California. Again, close to Frazier Park. If you're looking it up on the internet, it might come up as Frazier Park. It might come up as Pine Mountain Club. It's a beautiful, amazing area. You can check out my website at www.bhbarealestate.com, and you can go on for the virtual tour, and I hope you like this. And please call me for any offers, showings,